looks like a T-Rex. T-Rex. And that 3 horns looks like a Triceratops. So a T-Rex and a Triceratops fight right now. And I wonder how it goes on. Look at those bones cracked in the Triceratops. I think the T-Rex cracked his bones before they died. I know how to do it. I take a big shark, like the megalodon, like the whale shark. Look, that's a coelacanth. That the fish lived in the dino's age. And that's a mega mouse. 얘네들
하윤아 내 얼굴을 입에 넣어봐. 얼굴.
also 엄마 이 녀석들은 꽤 rare해. 찾기 어려워 이 녀석들. And that goes. Brachiosaurus is only 3 fossils. And this is not a Brachiosaurus because it's not a Brachiosaurus fossil. Iron. Look at the stone. Emerald. Look at this emerald. What's other stuff? Look at that.
Generate 7.8%.
Look at this.